Hi guys, welcome to this short video. We're going to analyze the proper technique that you have applied in this song, Counting Stars. I am going to share my screen and you are going to listen the first part of the song. We're going to hear the intro of the song that is a cappella, then the first one, the pre-chorus and the chorus of the song. I am going to leave it there because the next part of the song is repetitive. So you have to apply the vocal technique that we are going to see right now in the whole song, okay? So let me share my screen.
Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. You will be counting stars. Signs, seek it out and ye shall find. Oh, but I'm not that old, young, but I'm not that bold, and I don't think the world is sold. I'm just doing what we're told, and I feel something so right, doing the wrong thing. And I feel something so wrong, doing the right thing. I could lie, could lie, could lie. Everything that kills me makes me feel alive. Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Baby, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby,
Okay, we're gonna leave it there. We're gonna leave it there. Now let's try to go step by step to identify which technique works best in the phrase, okay? Okay, we already know the song, you like the song, and you have sing the song, I am sure. But this one is kind of different because we are in other key. Okay, and if you are the one selected to sing the first part of the song, the intro of the song, so congratulations, you're going to sing a cappella. Okay, first of all, if you have this part, you have to practice more than everybody because you are going to start the song alone, okay? And you have to practice the tune, the proper tune of this song, okay? So you have to be careful of the tuning of each word because all the whole phrase you have to sing it a cappella, okay? I recommend you to practice before start recording yourself, okay? So be careful because there you have high notes and you need to be very sure that you are singing and projecting the voice in the high position that is head voice, okay? So remember you have to breathe by your nose, keep your tongue flat, and try to open your jaw, like taking off your jaw, taking out your jaw, and try to breathe, support the air, and lately I've been losing sleep. It's like very high, okay? But it needs to sing. It's very high, but you have to sing it like clean, okay? It needs to sound clean. Okay, so let's go to the verse of the song. The verse of the song, I think it's not that hard in terms of technique. because it's in chest voice and I know that you can do it right away. The hard part here is the pronunciation because it's kind of fast and you need to sing the proper pronunciation, the enunciation of each word. What you have to do with this, you have to practice the song, but you need to exaggerate the movement of your lips and your mouth to try to pronounce the words very well, okay? Practice it before start recording yourself. Practice, talk, read the lyrics, read it in the time, in the proper time, and in the with a metronome if you can do it, or just listen the song and instead of singing, speak it. Just pronounce the words, and you will get the rhythm by reading the song. Then when you get ready, when you feel that you are pronouncing well the words, then you can start singing the song. But you already have practiced the rhythmic of these words and the pronunciation, and I am sure that you are going to do it great. And finally, we have the chorus of the song, okay? It's exactly the same of the intro, but this time we have all the instruments there. So I recommend you to breathe by your nose, open your mouth and try to keep your tongue flat because that will make some room in your mouth to project the sound, okay? Remember that you have to breathe by your nose and support the air. Try to work with your diaphragm because that will help you to have more time with your notes, okay? Your notes will be long, will be last a little more, so it will sound very good, okay? So pay attention to the details of this song, okay? The finish of the phrases and the expression of this song, okay? You have to try to print the energy, you have to print the emotion of this song by singing, okay? And last but not least, I want to talk about the last part of the song. If you already watch it, the video, you know that and if you already read the parts that you have, you will see that there's a part that all of you have to sing in this song. So what does mean? That you need to sing in tune, in the exactly rhythm of the song. Why? Because we are going to take all your videos in one. So guys, if you have any question, you know that you can contact me. You can send me your videos, you can send me your voice memos, and I can listen to them and give you some feedback. And don't forget, the most important thing in this is that you have to enjoy what are you doing. Enjoy it, okay? Yes, you have to try to apply technique, you have to try to apply everything that you know, but first of all, enjoy it. So guys, have fun. See you. Good luck.